Is there recording?
Yeah, easy. Punta kami ng festival mall. Papaayos ko lang yung bike ko. Ang goal is to change the fork and then have lunch siguro with the kids. Kasama ko si Jacob and si Lauren. So, Jacob is holding the camera, Lauren's back. Si Lauren yung hawak ng camera kanina nung inaakit namin ni Kuya yung bike sa likod ng pickup. Hindi kakasya yung bike sa kay Lune. So, at least ito sa trunk lang. Yun nga lang, hindi ko pwedeng iwanan later kasi walang cover yung backlight ng truck. Anyway, sige, later.
You want me to film it?
Let's go inside 12 bikes.
Look for drama.
Smells like coffee. Smells like Miss Ara's coffee every morning.
I'm looking for Jomar. Papalit ako ng fork. Ewan ko kung nabili ni Rickson sa'yo. Oo, yung kay Jomar. Here na at 12 bikes. New Fort Bay, correct.
Thank you, sir.
Look at Kuya using the fork. Now we go back home. We bring like bike back home. Gonna clean it.
It's heavy, Jake. Not that much.
Happy birthday, Lemuel! Hindi ko na na-videohan yung pagkatapos namin sa labas ng 12 bikes. Masyado akong natuwa eh. Na mag-lunch na kami, sobrang init. Nalakad kami pabalik ng bahay. Thank you so much to Lauren for filming and to Kuya Jacob for helping me with the bike unloading and putting it in the pickup. Ito muna yung picture ko after nung magawa yung bike ko sa shop sa 12 bikes. Okay? Until the next video. Bye!